how to turn off antivirus on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our desktop, and then on the search bar, which is right here, just search for settings. Now once you do that, just click open, which is right here. Now once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to click this privacy and security, which is located on the left screen. So once you click that, you should now be able to see this Windows security. So just click that as well. And then once you're now here, click this open Windows security. And then this should pop up. So just make this big. And then once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to click virus and threat protection. So click that one. And then in this part, all you have to do is to click manage settings, which is right here under the virus and threat protection settings. So click manage settings right there. And then you will see this real-time protection. Now, all you have to do is to, of course, turn this off. So if it is turned on, all you have to do is to turn that off. So once you do that, once you turn that off, as you can see, real-time protection is off. And of course, that is basically it. Once again, that is how to turn off antivirus on a Windows 11.